Deep within an ancient, mystical forest known as the Whispering Woods, there was a secret that had been hidden for centuries. The trees of this forest were said to whisper secrets to those who truly listened, but only a few had ever heeded their call. One day, a young adventurer named Kale stumbled upon the Whispering Woods during his quest for a legendary treasure. As he entered the forest, the leaves rustled, and the trees seemed to beckon him deeper into their heart. Kale soon discovered that the forest was alive with magic. The animals spoke in hushed tones, and the streams whispered ancient tales of forgotten kingdoms. As he ventured further, he met a mysterious figure, a guardian of the forest named Alara, who possessed the ability to communicate with the trees. Alara explained to Kale that the Whispering Woods held not just a treasure but also a profound wisdom that could change the course of his life. She offered to guide him through the forest in exchange for his promise to protect it from those who sought to exploit its secrets. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, Kale encountered trials and challenges, each designed to test his character and understanding of nature. He learned to respect the delicate balance of the ecosystem and the importance of living in harmony with the natural world. One evening, as the moon bathed the forest in silver light, Kale heard the most profound secret whispered by the oldest tree in the woods. It revealed that the true treasure of the Whispering Woods was not gold or jewels but the wisdom to heal the world from the scars of greed and destruction. Kale returned to his village, not with riches but with newfound purpose. He shared the wisdom he had gained from the forest, inspiring his fellow villagers to embrace a more sustainable way of life. Together, they embarked on a journey to protect the Whispering Woods and preserve its magic for future generations. The Whispers of the Forest is a tale of discovery, wisdom, and the transformative power of nature. It reminds us of the importance of listening to the natural world and our role in preserving its magic for generations to come.